Play Store is a land of plenty when it comes to apps, but there are also plenty of great apps you can find beyond the walls of Google's App Store. The method for installing apps from unknown sources has changed a bit with each successive Android version, so we've covered all the bases by showing you how to do it on more recent Android versions as well as the older ones. We'll not only show you how to allow unknown sources on Android, but also where you can find APKs outside of Google Play. Hi, this is Phil from Make Tech Easier, and this is how to install apps from unknown sources on Android 2019. One of the more sensible security features on Android devices is that you're not allowed to install apps from outside the Play Store, not by default anyway, but seeing as there are plenty of great apps you can find outside the Play Store, you may want to venture beyond those walls every now and then. Luckily, it's fairly easy to install apps from unknown sources in Android, although the method varies depending on which Android version you're on. One rule applies for people using Android 7 and below, and the other for Android 8 Oreo and Android 9 Pie and onwards. Here we'll show you both ways. Install apps without Play Store in Android 8, Oreo and 9 Pie. As of Android 8, the method to install apps from unknown sources changed. Instead of the previous method where you gave permissions to download APKs through any existing app on your phone, this version forced you to give permission to specific apps that are allowed to install APKs from unknown sources. To set these permissions, go to Settings, Apps and Notifications, Advanced, Special App Access, Install Unknown Apps. Here select the app, usually your internet browser, that you want to grant permission to install from unknown sources. Then once you've tapped it, tap Allow from this source to enable unknown sources for that specific app. Install apps without Play Store in Android 7, Nougat and older. App packages for Android are packaged in APK files which can also be downloaded from outside the Play Store, such as through your web browser. Before attempting to install APK files, however, you must first allow your phone to install from unknown sources, i.e. non-Play Store apps. To do this, navigate to Settings, Security and check the box marked Unknown Sources, then tap OK and Trust. Find APKs outside Google Play Store. Once you've enabled unknown sources, it's time to download the APKs you want. Maybe you already have a site you trust for downloading APKs. If not, we recommend APK Mirror as a good place to find legal APKs of old versions of Play Store apps, free apps, and so on. You can download APKs directly through the web browser on your phone, at which point you'll receive a message stating this type of file can harm your computer. Don't worry, if you're getting your file from APK Mirror or another site that you trust, then your phone's perfectly safe. Download the file, then open the APK from the pull-down notification menu on your phone, or by browsing the Downloads folder on your phone's file manager. Tap Install and your fancy new app should be ready shortly. You can also download APKs through the browser on your PC, at which point you'll need to transfer the file over to your phone via micro USB or wirelessly and install from there. Install using Google Drive, Dropbox and other cloud services. Alternatively, if you've downloaded the APK on a device other than your phone, you should be able to navigate to it on your device and then upload it to a cloud service such as Google Drive or Dropbox. Once you've done this, you can access it through Drive or Dropbox on your phone and open it directly from the cloud service, beginning the installation process. There it is, folks, the method of installing apps from outside the confines of the Play Store. There are other methods at your disposal too, however, such as downloading one of the many Play Store alternatives out there. We have a whole list of them, link in the description, though to get most of them you'll likely still need to install the APKs, so remember to come back to this guide for reference. Okay, as always, thanks for watching. That's all for now. See you next time.